Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts! Are you ready to unlock the secrets of making passive income? Well, what if I told you that you could do it using the power of GPT and Leonardo.ai? Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Imagine a step-by-step guide that takes you on a journey to financial independence, all from the comfort of your own home. No more mid-journey pit stops or dead ends. Official Tech Expert presents a groundbreaking series where we'll show you exactly how to leverage the incredible potential of ChatGPT and Leonardo.ai to generate passive income. So are you ready to stop using Midjourney and start making your dreams a reality? Then buckle up and subscribe to Official Tech Expert right now. Don't miss out on the step-by-step guide that could change your life forever. Official Tech Expert, where your financial journey begins. Step 1. Develop the book concept. Once you have a book concept in mind, the next step is to develop it further. With the help of ChatGPT, you can generate an excellent idea for a storybook that will captivate kids and spark their imagination. Ask the chat box for a great storybook title for kids. It can suggest creative titles that will fit the story you have in mind. Once you have a title chosen, such as Charlie and the Enchanted Zoo, A Tale of Friendship and Adventure, you can move on to the next step in creating your book. A title should give your audience an idea of what the story is about while grabbing their attention, so it's essential to choose a title that will excite and engage kids to pick up your book. With a book concept in mind, you can start drafting the story, develop the plot, and redefine the characters as you go. Think about the structure of the book, the tone, and the pacing to create a compelling narrative. Use your imagination and let your creativity flow, ensuring that it's enjoyable for kids to read. Step 2. Write the story. Now that you've gathered ideas and inspiration for your story, it's time to start writing it. One helpful tool to generate an outline of your story is using ChatGPT. This tool can assist in brainstorming ideas and help you create a structure for your story. Next, you can generate a list of chapters for your story and the scenes that will occur within each chapter. This can give you a clearer idea of how your story will flow and help you keep track of the plot. To begin writing your story, take the first chapter and copy it into a chatbot. Set the prompt to write a rhythm story and let the bot generate ideas to help shape your writing. Repeat this process for all chapters until you have the complete story. Remember to keep the tone and style consistent throughout your story and to pay close attention to character development and plot progression. Utilizing tools like ChatGPT can be helpful, but ultimately, the success of your story will depend on your creative inputs and writing skills. So take your time and let your imagination do the work. Happy writing! Step 3. Craft high-quality illustrations. Now that you have the storyline and the characters figured out, it's time to bring them to life with illustrations. And the best bet for high-quality illustrations is Leonardo.ai, an AI art generator that you can easily use to create stunning visuals for your storybook. To get started, sign up for an account on Leonardo.ai by following the steps provided in the reference text. Once you have your account, you can begin generating images based on the prompts from each chapter of your story. Leonardo.ai uses artificial intelligence to craft images based on your input, so it's important to provide accurate prompts. Make sure that the prompts align with the overall themes of the story so that your illustrations will be appropriately contextualized. After the images have been generated, take a little time to evaluate and edit them if necessary. While the AI-generated images are usually of high quality, sometimes you may have to make minor adjustments to ensure that they fit the style and tone you're aiming for. With these tips in mind, you should be well on your way to create stunning illustrations that will bring your storybook to life. Step 4. Combine text and images. Now that you have your AI-generated images and written content, it's time to combine them in a visually appealing way. Head over to canva.com and search for a storybook template that suits your style. Using the template, create a blank storybook and upload the generated images. Next, copy the text from each chapter and paste it onto the corresponding image. From there, customize the text by changing the font style, color, or adding shadows, etc. Make sure to keep the same style when duplicating the template for each of the chapters and adding a new image. Doing this will keep the consistency throughout the book and offer a better reading experience. Remember that the images and text should complement each other and convey the purpose and context of the story. Make the story come to life with stunning visuals and well-written content. You're now ready to move on to the next step. Step 5. Save as PDF and prepare for publishing. Now that you have finished creating your storybook, it's time to save it as a PDF file. To do this, simply click on the File menu and select Save As. Choose PDF as the file format and save it to your desired location. Once your storybook is saved as a PDF, it's important to proofread it to ensure there are no errors or formatting issues. This can include checking to make sure the text is aligned properly with the images and making sure there are no spelling or grammar mistakes. Once you have proofread your storybook and made any necessary edits, it's time to prepare for publishing. This includes creating a cover image for your storybook. Your cover image should be eye-catching and represent the theme of your storybook. In conclusion, make sure to save your storybook as a PDF, proofread and make any necessary edits, and prepare a cover image for publishing. With these steps, your storybook will be ready to share with the world. Step 6. Publish on Amazon KDP. Now that you've completed all the necessary steps of creating your storybook, it's time to publish it on Amazon KDP. First and foremost, you need to sign up for an account on Amazon KDP. Once you've signed up, follow the guidelines provided by Amazon KDP to format and upload your storybook. Make sure that you've checked all the necessary details such as the cover image, all the pages, and the description of your storybook. Next, set the price for your book and choose the royalty options. You can also set up an interval for the promotions of your storybook on Amazon. Don't forget to review and finalize all your book details before publishing it on Amazon KDP. Lastly, publish your storybook on Amazon KDP and wait for the confirmation email from Amazon saying that your storybook is already live and available to purchase. Remember to check out YouTube tutorials for a more detailed explanation of the publishing process on Amazon KDP. These tutorials will give you some extra tips on how to market your storybook to reach a broader audience. You have worked hard in creating your storybook, and publishing it on Amazon KDP will give you the opportunity to share your creation with the world. Boom, that's it for today's AI video, folks. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed making it. If you want to stay on top of the latest and greatest in the world of technology, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We drop 3 to 5 videos every week, so you'll always have fresh content to feed your tech addiction. And don't forget to leave us a comment with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you, and we're always eager to help out. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the flip side with more exciting tech content. Peace out.